So before I start off this video, I will have to tell you guys that I am by no means a professional developer. I've just been messing around with cheats lately. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own paste. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, you're going to need Microsoft Visual Studio. You're probably going to want some coding experience, otherwise this might confuse you. So what I basically did is I found a recently released version of Aware. It wasn't working, so I found a thread on MPGH which fixed the issue. I just put some code in and it fixed it. So I'm going to be giving you that version, the already fixed version, and you can download and use that. Now I'm not going to be showing you how to make it undetected, but I did use the paste on one of my Smurf accounts. I didn't get VAC banned, so it is pretty possible that this is still undetected. So once you have this downloaded, you will find the SLN or a solution file, and now that's going to open the Visual Studio project for the cheat. So let's open that real quick. So once you're in Microsoft Visual Studio, you will see header and C++ files. Now the header files will basically be the preparation, and the C++ files will be actually doing most of the work. So legitbot.h will be preparing the legitbot, and the other one will be executing it. So we're in the menu.h, and if you go to the setup function, if you go to view function definition, you will go into the menu and you can change the menu. For example, I'm changing the name of the cheat right now. All that text is basically the text of the menu, which you can change to whatever you want. So now we're going to be changing the name of the ESP. Just navigate to esp.h and go to the init function, and there you'll see a main ESP drawing loop. You're going to want to scroll down quite a bit until you see the text that I put in here. So I know you can't see it, but if you're in the source code, there should be an info pushback function, and within those function parentheses, if you put quotes and then whatever text you want, whenever you use weapon ESP, that's going to be the text instead of the actual weapon. Now in the name function, it's actually a little bit different. At the end of the color function, there should be a line of text. So mine right now, mine says Zeta CSGO, and it's an RGB value, so it's 0 to 255 for our red, green, or blue. So I'm just gonna put pasting is for skids as part of my text, and we're gonna save this. Now once you're done changing the source code, you can go to build, and there should be a build solution, or you can just press the F5 key on your keyboard, and both will actually generate a new DLL for your cheat. Now if you get like a red error message pop up that says like not a valid application, that's just because it's a DLL file and Windows can't actually execute it by itself. So now once you've built or compiled your cheat, it will be located in the release folder in the same folder of the solution file. So now once you go here, this cheat will always update whenever you build or compile your cheat. So if you want to save your old versions, make sure you do that, otherwise it will just be replaced when you build it. But we're going to save this and we're going to inject it. I can't recommend any injector, but there is a game owner injector which I will link in the description, which some people say is still undetected. Just in case this was detected, we're going to be running this in insecure mode, just because we're testing. We're not actually we didn't actually make it fully undetected yet. So I'm going to be going to the aim training map. Now if everything works, we should be able to inject this and it won't crash, and we'll have all the information that we put in the ESP, and also our menu will be changed. Alright, so now I'm going to inject. Fingers crossed that this actually works. Alright, so I just injected and it looks like it worked. We have the name of our cheat in that section, the ragebot title text and other title text that we changed in the code, and that stuff actually works. So let's test the ESP and see if we actually change that. So I go to the name ESP, and as it says, pasting is for skids. So it worked. Let me just no clip out of here so we can see it better. So yeah, this pretty much works, and let's test the weapon ESP as well. Yep, it says weapon title text or weapon text. So yeah, everything works. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and thanks for watching.